Houghton Middle School students are getting hands-on with the wildlife at the Marsin Nature Retreat.
The students took a field trip to the Nature Retreat to study its environment. The trip was funded by the Keweenaw Land Trust. Students analyzed fish, frogs, and salamanders. They even created plans of the Marsin Nature Retreat for future reconstruction.
Landscape architects for the day, and they're looking around the grounds and coming up with ideas for what things they think we should add, what we should take away, what we can do to enhance the site.
The Keweenaw Land Trust is also open to the public for the project. To find out more, you can go to our website at uppermichigansource.com.